Hi students, today we are going to see sums related to area of a ring, right? Area of a ring. So we have to discuss the formula first. Area of a ring is nothing but pi capital R square minus pi small r square. That is nothing but the difference between the area of the difference between the area of a bigger circle minus the area of a smaller circle, right? That is capital R is nothing but radius of the bigger circle and small r is in the radius of the small circle. So what is the formula? Pi r square minus pi small r square, right? Question number 7. The diameter of a circular pond is 17.5 meter. The diameter of a circular pond, right? So there is a circular pond, right? The diameter of a circular pond is nothing but d is equal to 17.5 meter, right? So radius is nothing but r is equal to 17.5 divided by 2 meter. You can keep as it is, no problem, right? From the first line itself, I have written the given. So it is surrounded by a path. So it is surrounded by a path of width 3.5 meter. So it's a surrounded by a path, right? 3.5 meter width. The path has been surrounded, right? So this width is nothing but what is it? 3.5 meter. So width of the path, right? Width of the path is equal to 3.5 meter, right? Width of the path is nothing but 3.5 meter, and this is nothing but path, right? This is nothing but path, and this is nothing but pond, right? Circular pond. The circular pond, it is surrounded by, right? It is enclosed by, right? Surrounded by a path of width 3.5 meter width has been surrounded, right? Next, find the area of the path, right? To find what we want to find, area of the path. Here area of the path is nothing but what is it? Ring, right? This smaller circle and this is bigger circle. In between the two circles we have to find, and that area is nothing but area of a ring, right? And this is the area of a ring. So for finding a area of a ring, what are the things we are needed? Capital R and small r, right? Capital R and small r. But in the given, we are having a small r, right? We are having a small radius of a small circle is 17.5 meter divided by 2, right? 17.5 divided by 2 meter. Capital R we want to find. How we want to find? They have given us small clue. The width is nothing but 3.5 meter. This is a clue for finding the capital R, and just note down this. This is nothing but very important. R is equal to, that is capital R. Capital R is nothing but radius of the bigger circle is equal to width plus radius of a small circle. R plus width, right? Width plus R, or R plus width. Width is nothing but, yes, small circle, and width, and small r is nothing but radius of a small circle, right? So now we know the width value, and now we know the radius of a small circle, small r also. By adding these two, we'll get the capital R. If we know capital R and small r, then easily we can find the area of the path. What is the shape of the area of the path? What is the shape of the path? It's nothing but ring, right? So area of a ring. By using area of a ring formula, we can find the area of a path. So now I'm going to find the capital R. Capital R is equal to width. What is the value of width? 3.5 meter. What is the value of R? 17.5 by 2. So 3.5 plus 17.5 divided by 2, right? While we are simplifying, right? Just do the cross multiply. 2 into 3.5, 7. So 7 plus 17.5 whole divided by 2 is equal to 24.5, right? 24.5 divided by 2. Capital R is equal to 24.5 by 2 meter, right? Now we know the capital R and small r, right? Directly we can go for the formula. So what is the formula? Area of a ring. Area of a ring is equal to, right? Area of a ring is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square. Pi capital R square small r minus small r square. See, and we are having that while we are simplifying this one, right, while we are elaborating this one, how we can write pi r plus r into r minus r, right? While we are adding and subtracting, easily we can simplify and easily we can multiply, right? That's why I have written this formula in terms of pi into r plus r into r minus r. A plus b, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. While we are discussing the formula, I have explained clearly, right? So I am using this formula for finding the value of area of a ring. Substitute the values. What is the value of pi? 22/7 into capital R is nothing but 24.5 divided by 2 plus small r. What is small r? 17.5 by 2. 17.5 divided by 2 into, open the bracket, r minus r, that is 24.5 divided by 2 minus 17.5 divided by 2, right? Simplify. 22/7, see denominators are same, so writing only once, 2, 24.5 plus 17.5, right? The whole divided by 2 into, here also denominator same, writing only once, 24.5 minus 17.5, right? Simplify. First you can simplify inside the brackets, after that we can cancel it, right? So it's nothing but 22/7, right? Here we are adding 24.5 plus 17.5, 25, 35, 42, right? 42 divided by 2 into 24.5 minus 17.5 is nothing but 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2. Simplify. 7 will get cancelled. 2 1 is 2. 11 2s are 22. Here also 2 table 1 times, 21 times, right? The denominator nothing is there, so write the remaining the numerator. It's nothing but 11 into 21. So 11 into 21 is equal to 231, right? 231 meter square. Well, we are multiplying 11 into 21, what will get? 231 meters square. Therefore, area of a path, right? Area of the path is equal to 231 meters square. So number 8, a race track is in the form of a ring. A race track, how it will be in the form of a ring? That means a smaller circle, right? This is nothing but inner area of a ground, and track, right? Is nothing but, and this area is nothing but track, right? A race track, running track, right? A race track is in the form of a ring whose inner circumference, right? Whose inner circumference is 352 meters. So inner circumference, first write the given inner circumference. Usually we will find the circumference of a circle, right? Inner circumference means circumference of a small circle. So, but they have given in the question. So we have to equate with the formula, right? We have equate with the formula for finding, right? Next we will read. Inner circumference is nothing but 352 meter and the outer circumference is 440 meter. Outer circumference is nothing but how much? 440 meter, right? Full stop. Find the width of the track. So to find, what are things we want to find? To find the width, right? Width of the track, as well as they are asking one more thing. What is it? Find the width of the track and also find the area of the track. What is the shape of the track? It's nothing but ring. So area of the track is nothing but area of a ring. So for finding the area of a ring, what are things we are needed? Capital R and small r. For finding the width, how we want to find the width? It's nothing but width is equal to capital R minus small r. This is nothing but small r and this is nothing but capital R. Capital R minus small r is nothing but width, which is called width, and this is called width, right? This particular area, width, right? So we want to find the capital R and small r. For finding the capital R and small r, we are having some clue, right? In the question itself, we are having the clue. Inner circumference, there is nothing but circumference of a small circle is nothing but 352 meter. While we are equating with the formula, we will get a smaller. Outer circumference, that means outer bigger circle, right? Circumference of a bigger circle, we know the value. Just equate with the formula, we will get the capital R. Now we know small r and capital R. With the help of these two, we can find width as well as we can find the area of the track. So first we will find the small r and capital R. So inner circumference is equal to 352 meter. What is the formula of circumference of a circle? 2 pi small r or capital R. Inner, that means small circle. So 2 pi small r is equal to 352 meter, right? So substitute the value of pi and take it to the RHS and simplify, you'll get the value of r, right? So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 352. Keep the r alone the LHS, bring the 22 by 7 to the RHS. 2 and 22 will goes to denominator, 7 goes to numerator. 352 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. 2 into 22. Now, is it possible to simplify 2 tables? Yes. One time. How many times? 1, 7, 6. 176. Right. And see that once again 2 table. So 11 times. Here 8, 88. Both are 11 multiples. Simplify 1 times, 8 times. So R is equal to 8 into 7. So 8 into 7 is equal to how much? 48, 56. So therefore the radius of a small circle is equal to 56 meter. Now we have found the smaller. Next we are having outer circle circumference, right? So outer circle circumference. Circumference of a outer circle 440 meter. By equating with the formula, we get the capital R. So that is nothing but outer circumference is equal to 440 meter. 2 pi capital R, because outer circumference, bigger circle, right? 2 pi capital R equal to 440. 2 into 22 by 7 into R. Just keep the R alone the LHS. Remaining R you can take it to the RHS. So 440 into 7 divided by 2 into 22, right? 2 table 1 times here 220. 22, 220. Both are 22 multiples, right? So 1 time 10 times. So 10 into 7. So capital R is equal to 10 into 7, 70 meter, right? 10 into 7, 70 meter. Now we know the value of capital R and small r. So what are things we want to find? Width and area of the track. First we will find the width of the track. So width is nothing but capital R minus small r. Capital R is equal to how much? 70 meter minus small r is nothing but 56. 70 minus 56 is equal to 14 meter. Therefore width of the track, right? Width of the track is equal to 14 meter, right? Next what we want to find? Area of the track, right? Area of the track is equal to, right? Area of the track is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square. Capital R square minus small r square. So substitute the value. So before substituting, see, while we are writing in terms of r plus r into r minus r, it will be very easy to simplify. So please you can go with that method. So pi capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r. So substitute the value 22 by 7 into capital R 70 plus 56 into 70 minus 56 is equal to 22 by 7 into 70 plus 56 126 into 70 minus 56 14, right? Simplify. 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14. So remaining 22 into 126 into 2 is equal to 5544 meter square. Therefore area of the running track, right? Area of the track, race track is equal to 5544 meter square, right? So number 9, Parthiban walks around a circular park of area 88,704 meter square, right? Parthiban walks around a circular park. So area of circle, not area of a ring, area of a circle, right? Circular park. Area of circle is equal to 88,704 meter square, right? See, they didn't talk about the track. They are talking about the circular park, right? Circular park. So the complete park only they are talking. So the total area of the circular park is nothing but what is it? 88,704 meters square, right? How long will he take to walk 10 rounds at the speed of 4.5 kilometer per hour? How long? That means they are asking how much time, right? How much time will take to walk 10 rounds. How many rounds? 10 rounds at the speed of 4.5 kilometer per hour, right? So time already we know that what is it. So we want to find how long, how much time it will take, right? So one more given is there. Speed is in the image 4.5 kilometer per hour. So what we want to find? Time to complete 10 rounds, right? We want to find the times, right? So already we know that formula time is equal to distance divided by speed. We know the speed in terms of kilometer per hour. So if we are finding the distance, how much distance he has been covered in 10 rounds. If you have find it, then distance divided by speed is equal to time. So first we want to find the distance. How we want to find the distance? See, just see the given. They are having the clue. What is the clue? Area of a circle, right? Area of a circle is nothing but 88,704 meters square, right? So suppose he is walking around the circular park, right? He is walking around the circular park, right? So if you know the circumference of a circle, right, that is nothing but distance traveled, right? Circumference of circle is nothing but distance traveled one round, right? Distance traveled one rounds. Just if you are multiplying by 10, then we get distance traveled in 10 rounds. Then we'll get the distance. And if you know the speed and divide distance by speed is equal to what is it? Time. Time to complete 10 rounds. So first we want to find the distance, right? So distance is nothing but circumference of a circle. For finding a circumference of a circle, we need radius. But we don't have radius. For finding the radius, for that only they have given area of a circle. So we are having area of circle formula. So just equate and we'll get the value of r. From the r, we can find the circumference. From the circumference, we can find how much distance he has been covered in 10 rounds, right? So one by one we can find. So first I'm just going to equate the formula. So area of a circle is equal to 88,704 meters square. So what is the formula of area of a circle? Pi r square is equal to 88,704 meters square, right? So substitute the value of pi. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 88,704. Keep the r square in the LHS. Take the 22 by 7 to the RHS. Then it will become what is it? R square is equal to 88,704 into 7 divided by 22. Right? Divided by 22. We can cancel it. Surely the 22 will divide this 88,704. I'm just dividing directly. So 1 times, how many times? 88, 4 times, 7, not enough, adding 0, 70, 66, right? 22, 44, 66, 3 times, 4, 44, 2 times. So r square is equal to 4032 into 7. But we need radius, r, radius of the circle only we are needed. So r square. So taking square root, then automatically the square will get eliminated, right? For eliminating the square, right? For eliminating the square, for removing the square, what we want to do? We have to take square root. So taking square root on both sides, right? Taking square root on both side, then will become what is it? Square root of r square is equal to square root of 4032 into 7, right? Last year in Heron's formula you have studied, right? So just do the prime factorization and what are the pairs, right? What are the pair we are having? Just take it from the root, and you can simplify, get the value of r. R square root get cancelled. R is equal to the prime factorization for 4032. 2 table, how many times? 20 times 1, 6. Once again 2 table, 10 times 0, 8. Once again 2 table, 10 times 5, 0, 4. Once again 2 table, 2 times 10, 5, 2, 252. Once again 2 table, 1 times, 2 times, 6 times. Once again 2 table, 6 times, 3 times, right? Once again, 3 table 2 times 1 times, 3 table 7 times, 7 table 1 times. So 4032, it's nothing but square root of, how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 2s are 5 6 2s and 3 double 3s, right? 3 into 3 into 7, already one 7 is there, into 7. So for this 2 1, we are having a pairs, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 is equal to, or is equal to 100 and 2 into 2 4 4 2s are 8 8 3s are 24 24 into 7 168 meter. Now we got the radius, right? Now we got the radius of the circle, right? So and now we want to find distance, right? Distance covered, right, in one round. That is, distance is equal to, what is it? Circumference of a circle, right? Circumference of a circle. What is the formula of circumference of circle? 2 pi r. 2 into, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into, what is the value of r? Just now only we have find it, 168. Simplify. 7 table, is it possible to simplify? Surely it will get cancelled. How many times? 2 times 14, 2 balance 28, 24 times. So it is equal to 2 into 22 into 24. Distance covered in one round, right? In one round. So is equal to distance covered, distance covered in one round is equal to 1056 meter. But distance, they ask you to find distance covered in 10 rounds. Just multiply by 10. Distance covered in 10 rounds is equal to 1056 into 10. So 10,560 meter, right? Now we can find the time. But we have to see that, I already told you that distance and speed both should be in the same units. But in the here speed is nothing but kilometer per hour. That means distance should be in the form of kilometer. So I have to convert meter to kilometer. So we have to convert kilometer to kilometer. So meter to kilometer is nothing but divided by 1000. 10560 divided by 1000, right? Kilometer. Now distance covered in 10 round is nothing but 10560 divided by 1000. Now we can go for the time. So time taken, right? Time taken to complete 10 round is equal to, time is equal to distance by speed, right? Distance by speed. First we can simplify in the form of decimal. This one 0 0 will get cancelled. 1056 divided by 100. So 2 digit before we want to put a point. So 10.56 kilometer, right? 10.56 kilometer. The distance covered in 10 rounds, right? Or distance traveled in 10 rounds, right? So distance by time. So distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. That is nothing but 10.56 divided by, what is the speed? 4.5 kilometer. 4.5 kilometer. While we are dividing these two, right? While we are dividing 10.56 divided by 4.5, 2.34 hours we are getting, right? Therefore, Parthiban takes to complete 10 rounds in 2.34 hours. 2.34 hours. That's all. Thank you. Note down your homework sums.